Hey, hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to my new video. This is Faiza guys, and those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos as well. And for those who are returning, well, welcome back guys. I miss you guys. And let's go ahead and get started with this video. For this video guys, I am doing a makeup look and I am doing it for New Year's Eve. This is my first time doing it on the camera. I've done it for myself way before and I loved the way it turned out, so I wanted to share that look with you guys. The look is supposed to be very smoky, very metallic, very grayish blackish, a classic New Year's look. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it in other videos, but I wanted to share my way of doing it. I am using a palette that's literally made for New Year's. I'm gonna say it is for New Year's because that's what the colors say, but I wanted to show you what I'm gonna be using. So this is a palette that I got recently from ColourPop. I've been falling in love with everything that they have. They literally have the most pigmented lip pencils, they have really good lip liners, they have really nice eyeshadows, and I think that's what they're known for, if I'm not wrong. These are all the colors that I have, and I feel like these colors are literally perfect. When I say perfect, I mean they're literally made for New Year's look. And I'm going to be using some of these colors and I'm going to show them to you as I go. Let's begin with a tutorial here. I am starting with Morphe brush M502. It is a great blending brush and I'm going to use that with the color Young Love, and I'm using this as a base color and I apply it across my eyelids and blend it really well. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with my other eyelid as well, and then we are moving on to our next color, which will be our transition color. Using the same blending brush, we are using the color Ignite and we are going to apply that in the inner corner of our eyes and we are going to blend that very well. And I'm repeating the same steps for my other eye as well. Moving to our next transition color, we are using the next darker gray color, which is called Slated, and we are going to apply that in the outer corner of our eyes as well, and we are going to blend it out as well. Now we are using a smaller blending brush. It's called Morphe M411 and we are using the black color, which is called Let's Do It, and we are going to be finishing our outer corner of our eyes with that color. Now we are using a packer brush and we are using two glittery colors. One is called Smokini and the other one's called Starstruck. I'm gonna blend both the colors together because I thought they are both very nice glittery colors and I wanted to use both of them. And I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner of my eyes and I'm going to apply that in the middle as well. For the lower lash line, I'm using Morphe M408. I'm using the color black, which is also called Let's Do It, and I'm going to apply that in the lower lash line just to complete the look. And I'm not going all the way through, I'm just going to apply it just halfway through. Using the same brush, I'm going to go with the color White, Young Love, and I'm going to apply that on my brow bone just to highlight that area. Since this is a glam look, I'm using the Glamour eyeshadow pack from Ardell and I'm gonna go ahead and just glam up my eyelashes here. And we are reaching the end of the tutorial here. We are using the NYX liquid eyeliner and I'm going to go ahead and wing my eyes with this liquid eyeliner. I love the eyeliner here, it's so amazing guys. Thank you so much for watching this video guys, and I hope you guys like this look. This is more of a glittery New Year's look. It doesn't go with what I'm wearing at the moment, which is a hoodie, but this will go really well with like a glittery dress. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to hit subscribe button if you guys like the video and like the video as well, of course. And guys, make sure to check out my Instagram, and thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye.